Hi, this is Miss Lee, and today's video is just a review on equations. Okay, this is what I like to call our imposter activity. Okay, we have -4 equals x minus 2. Which choice, A, B, C, or D, is the imposter? Which one does not equal or represent -4 equals x minus 2? Go ahead and pause the video and come back when you have your answer. The correct answer is C. 2 equals x. If we were to go ahead and solve this equation, isolate the x by adding 2 to both sides. That zeroes out the -2. It leaves you x equals a -4 and a +2, different signs, so you subtract and take the sign of the larger number, which would be a negative. So x equals -2, not a +2. Let's look at the other answer choices. If you look at A, you'll see that the equation is being modeled with algebra tiles. We have 4 negatives. There's our equal line, 1 positive x tile, and 2 negative units. If you wanted to solve this, this gives you the steps. Isolate the variable by adding 2. That is correct. Be fair and add 2 to the right side. Well, that's what we did. And then remove your 0 pairs. And if you were going to graph the solution on a number line, you would just put a dot at -2. Okay, number 6, the same thing. Find the imposter that does not represent an expression. Pause the video and come back and check your answer. Okay, the correct answer is B. Robert ate 6 cookies. Bob ate 3 more cookies than Robert. Although we don't know how many cookies Bob ate, we know that Robert ate 6, so that's going to equal 6. Then all you have to do is take Bob's amount, B, and subtract the 3, since Bob ate 3 more cookies, and you would get the 6. C divided by 5, this is an expression. Remember, expressions do not have equal signs. Equations have equal signs. Twice as many marbles. We don't know an equal amount here, so that is an expression. And answer choice C, there is no equal, so it is an expression. Now, if it had said equals 12, then that would be an equation. But it didn't say that, so we have an expression. Number 7, what is the imposter? What does not equal or represent 7/500ths x equals 8 2500ths? Pause the video, come back and check your answer. The correct answer here is A. A does not represent this equation. If you read it, it says Susan has at most. This is an inequality. That's the clue word for inequality. All the other 3 can represent this equation. If you were to solve it, x would equal 11. And our last example, find the imposter. Which answer choice does not represent x equal 8? Pause the video, come back and check your answer. Okay, the correct answer here is C. Is that what you got? Let's see, why does C not equal 8? And I actually think that x should have been an H. But if you look, this is a double negative, and that double negative turns into a big positive. So if you're going to solve the equation, you have to do the opposite of this positive, which is a negative. Do it to both sides. The 6's cancel out, leaves you H equals, and a -6 and a -2, same signs, so you add them, and you get a -8, not a +8. Now let's talk about this one. A rectangle has a base of 6 millimeters and an area of 48 millimeters. What is its height, H? Remember, to find the area of a rectangle, we use the formula area equals base times height. So all you have to do is plug in the numbers that you know. We know the area is 48. So instead of A, we're going to put 48 equals, and we know the base is 6. and we're looking for the h. So this is your equation. And if you solve it, you get x equals 8. Nice work.